Hi there, and welcome to Titan. Today we're going to be showing you how Titan files can supercharge the way you work with files in Salesforce and even save you storage. Let's go. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be starting in an account in our Salesforce environment, and I'm going to very simply go ahead and upload a file to this account. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting in a PNG file, and a couple things are going to happen, which we're going to see. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a PNG file, which is 1 megabyte. Now, if we wait a couple seconds, something here is going to change. Let's see if you can see what it is. So now that PNG file went from being a megabyte to 114 KB. Now let's see what happens again if I refresh. As you can see, this file is now gone. So what happened? Let's jump over to our flow. So in a flow, when we add a file to our account object in Salesforce, there's two things that's going to happen. The first thing is it's going to be checked if it's a PNG file. If it is, we're going to convert that PNG to a JPEG, automatically saving us space by reducing the file size. And then what we're going to do is we're going to then check what the file size is. And if the file size is bigger than 100, then we're going to actually save that to an external storage integration. So let's go back to Salesforce and see what happened to that file. Okay, now that we're back at our Salesforce record, you can see that we have another object here called Vault Files. And what I did here is we actually saved that file that I initially put in as a PNG and then was converted to a JPEG, is now actually being stored inside a box. So here's my file now stored safely inside a box, not taking up any room inside of Salesforce, and it was also converted and made smaller, so it's not even taking up too much room in box. So this is just one way that you can save storage in Salesforce, automate processes, and use Salesforce in a much better way using Titan. Stay tuned for more.